estate investing but don't have a ton of cash? Good news, you don't need a fortune to get started. In fact, some of the most successful investors began with little to no money. Today, I'll show you 5 proven ways to start building wealth in real estate, even if you're broke right now. Stick around because I've got a free ebook that dives even deeper into one of the best no money down strategies. Wholesaling is the #1 strategy for beginners with no money. Here's how it works. You find a distressed property, often off-market. Get it under contract below market value. Assign that contract to a cash buyer for a profit, without ever owning the house. No credit checks, no loans, just pure hustle and smart deals. Want the exact step-by-step blueprint? Grab our free ebook, How to Get Rich Wholesaling Houses. Link in the description. House hacking means buying a small multifamily property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. With an FHA loan, you can buy with just 3.5% down, sometimes even less. Your tenant's rent covers your mortgage, meaning you live for free while building equity. Some sellers are willing to finance the deal themselves, meaning you pay them monthly instead of a bank. No strict credit checks, no big down payments. Just negotiate terms that work for both of you. Find someone with money but no time or knowledge to invest. You bring the deal-finding skills, they bring the cash, and you split the profits. Win-win. With rent-to-own, you lease a home with the option to buy later. You can charge the tenant a non-refundable fee up front and even sell the property before you ever buy it. If you're serious about starting with no money, wholesaling is the fastest path. Our free ebook, How to Get Rich Wholesaling Houses, breaks it all down. Finding deals, negotiating contracts, and getting paid fast. Download it now at learningrealestateinvesting.com/howtogetrich. Wholesaling houses/link below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment real estate below. If you're serious about starting